ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 80, One Input Data Table. So this is the start of Section 16. We're going to be discussing one input data tables in this lesson, and in the following one we're going to look at two input data tables. Okay, a data table is used to see how changing one variable in a formula affects the result of that formula. For example, how do the repayments on a loan change for different interest rates? By using a data table, the calculation need only be done once, and the results of numerous different rates can be seen. As an aside, any function can be used as the starting point for a data table. Okay, let's open the workbook Loan. The calculation in C11 shows the repayment for a loan based on the values E4, E6 and E8, and this we looked at in a previous lesson when we discussed financial calculations. This driving lesson creates a data table showing how the result varies for a range of one of these values. E4, the interest rate. Okay, let's zoom out because we're going to need some space further down this sheet. Now in B12, enter an interest rate of 4%. Highlight the range B12 to B36, and on the Home tab, go for the Editing group, click Fill, and then Series. Enter a step value of 0.0025 and click OK. This enters a list of interest rates rising in quarter percentage points. Format the range B12 to B36 as percentages to 2 decimal places. So while they're selected, right-click, Format Cells, Percentage to 2 decimal places. OK. Now highlight the range B11 to C36. Note the range of the data table includes the calculated cell. Next, on the Data tab, in the Forecast group, select What If Analysis and then Data Table. The values to be substituted are in a column, so click in the column Input Cell box. The value in the calculation, which is actually changing down the column, is the interest rate. So click on cell E4 to select it, and click OK. The table of values is automatically filled in, calculating the repayments for each of the different interest rates. Format the repayment figures in column C as currency to 2 decimal places. Right-click, Format Cells, Currency, I'm using a pound sign, to 2 decimal places, and then press OK. OK, so we've looked at one input data tables. Please save this workbook as Loan 2. OK, I hope you found this of use, and I look forward to seeing you next time.